Wow! I still can't believe I was in the longest kart track in Europe. For this karting experience I traveled to Poeldijk near Den Haag in the Netherlands to visit this special track. The track offers none less than 34 corners and has a length of a stunning 1200 meters, or for our non-metric friends, that's about 4000 feet. This was an exhilarating experience for me and I couldn't wait to see if I could find a fast way around the track. I would at least push myself to the limit. A quick lap around this track should be possible in under 1 minute 10, so that was what I was going for. Finding a quick way around the track was a really nice challenge when you only have 8 laps per heat. I could come up with this race line that worked best for me. If anyone has some good advice on how to improve this, please let me know in the comments. The race line shown resulted in a lap time that got me my quickest lap. The onboard video of the quick lap will be visible later in this video, so stay tuned. The biggest challenge I faced when trying to improve my lap times is that only 8 laps per heat just gave me about half the practice to improve my corners, brake points and optimization of the race line than I normally would have when learning a new track. I did have some luck when I was passed by a guy that was just a bit quicker, but not that much that I lost him. So I could learn a lot by checking where his race line was quicker than mine and copying this over. If you're watching this, Chefka, thanks a lot. Partially because of you, I made my goal to race a lap in under 1 minute 10. If you're still watching, you probably like the video, at least I hope, so don't forget to subscribe and get notified of upcoming videos. Without further ado, I will show you my quickest lap. I hope you'll enjoy. For anyone that has never been at Ende Racing, I could strongly encourage you to arrange a visit there. And maybe we will even race each other someday. See you around!